Yes, gang, it's right. That's right. It's Poppy's other workshop.
What's the gate? Where is it? Gate. Christy, gate, please.
It looks like one of those shows, like a cartoon where the car like collapses, you know? Where the front wheels like on cars or something.
You know, we moved out here in '98, and since then there have been 6 accidents between there and the next power pole.
Sounds good, right?
One of them, the broad was taking the kids to school.
Hey, I was wondering where the rest of that broken ass chair went. That's okay. We didn't want it anyway.
And she was driving the new Bug with a carload of kids.
Oh, that's where it was, under the car.
Yeah. Careful. Hey, officer, we were promised a report before the police left.
Who promised you that?
A police officer. He looked like he was in charge.
An accident report for our landlord.
The larger male?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, for our landlord.
Or my landlord's lawyer can call. I talked to my landlord, and he believes Dave, the handyman, will be here Monday.
Okay. I gotta do something for the dogs though in the meantime.
Yeah.
Do something right across here.
I'll help.
Oh, you're okay. I don't even know what to do.
What, is she escaping her leash?
No. Oh my god, dude.
In 2002, a guy drove his pickup truck through that corner.
Damn!
What?
His
The
brake
fucking
rotor.
brake rotor?
Goddamn!
From the car?
Yeah!
Here, bring that over here, man.
Oh, that's about as good as this one time this girl in a bug came down that hill, said you want to see a bug fly, to the kids in the back seat, flipped the car and landed on top
Toss
of the
it over
garage
here.
over there.
We heard about that
That was like, want to see a bug fly? What the hell was that?
Brake rotor.
Oh, damn. How fast do you have to be going to do that?
You gotta be going pretty fast.
I'm gonna let you hack at it.
Alright.
Yeah.
On the uphand, they didn't kill our water main.
Oh. I'd have come out with the baseball bat.
That'd be nice, water wing. Oh, we don't want to take the chair back. We don't want it.
Where'd that chair come from? We don't know that chair.
New fence. New fence.
Oh, yeah?
You get a new fence. You get a new fence. You get a new fence.
Hi, hello.
Right here is my partner's case number with
Okay.
his card, all right?
All right.
Just a couple questions. What's your name?
Wayne Caron, C-A-R-O-N.
Saron?
Yeah, C-A-R-O-N.
What's your date of birth?
June 7, 56.
Thank you.
This
And
is,
you live here, right?
yeah, this is the 6th accident between the top of this hill and that first power pole since we moved out here in '98.
Okay.
Yeah.
Wow.
First one, the guy drove through this fence.
Do you know who owns this house?
Mr. Michael J. Evans, my landlord.
Is he here?
No, he lives up on Cobb. I've talked with him, told him that there'd been a collision, and 3.5 fences are totally fizzucked.
Okay. Michael J. Evans, you said, right?
Yeah.
All right. Okay. have any questions for me?
Is that report for me?
No, this is a CSP 180. Basically, it's for the tow truck driver.
Oh, okay.
But you can always go to the police department.
Well-
Press the case number from that report on the card, and you will be able to get a copy.
Well, it doesn't look like it broke the thing on top of our water main, but well, we'll hope it doesn't leak. But he did dislodge the lid on top of it, though. We still appreciate it. That's going to make it so much easier when I go and move out the recycling today.
You go what?
I have to move the recycling cans out. Hope they don't end up down the street.
Well, once again, the police cannot be trusted. I was told I would have a report on this incident before the police left.
No, it takes 10 days.
Now it's, oh, call the cop shop and maybe you'll get one.
It takes 10 days.
My landlord's going to be so fucking happy. Anyway, I'm going to go, yeah.